how to turn on suggestion for you on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to turn on suggestion for you on Instagram. To do it, so you have to make sure to update your application first of all. So go to your Play Store or an App Store, and on the search box you want to type in Instagram. When you type in that, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So click the update button if it's so, and after which go ahead and click on the open button. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, this is how it's going to look like, right? So what next you want to do is, after that, you want to tap on the profile at the bottom right hand side corner. Then you want to go to this menu bar or the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner, from the top right hand side corner. Once you go to that page, you'll be taken to settings and activity. Over here you just want to scroll down a bit and you want to go to the section of suggested or suggestion. So you have to go to the section of what you see, and under it you want to go to content preferences. Once you go to content preferences, you have to go ahead and click on a specific word and phrase. After which you want to go ahead and mention, or you have to go ahead and type in what sort of videos and content you want to watch, or what sort of suggestion you want to turn it on Instagram. So you just have to go ahead and type in maybe makeup, let's see, and then pets, all of that, and make sure to go ahead and tap on the done button. After which just refresh your Instagram application, and then you'll be able to see the suggestion on your Instagram. So that's the way you could go ahead and turn on suggestion for Instagram. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.